She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Today's video is in collab with Pelcas 6-in-1 Bikini Trimmer for men and women. This electric trimmer comes with 6 different attachments for the face and the body. So the first attachment, which is already on the device, is for the sideburn. So you can use this to trim your sideburn hair. And it's easily, you can remove the attachments really easily. You just twist it over to the arrow and then you remove the attachment, and then obviously you put it back on the same way. This is the short hair attachment. So this is for short hair. This is the facial hair attachment. This is the long hair trimmer attachment. This one is, I actually really am excited about this one. This is the eyebrow attachment. So it has a shorter blade and a longer length blade for the eyebrows. And this is the nose hair attachment. And it comes with a charger and a little brush so you can clear out or clean out any hairs that might be in any of the attachments. It also comes with these guards for the sideburn trimmer, so you can choose how short you want to go by attaching these guards. Okay, so please do not mind my sock lines on my leg. We are going to be shaving my leg today. I purposely did not shave for the last almost week. So here is a little before of my my leg hair. So I did go in with on a dry leg, but you can do this wet or dry because it is waterproof, and it's very gentle on the skin, so it's safe for sensitive skin. And also it has no chemicals, so there will be no irritation or pulling or pain. It was very painless, and it gave a very smooth shave. So I really did appreciate it. And it has a anti-cut design, so you can get really close to the skin without cutting or having any irritation to the skin. So this is the aftermath of what the device looked like when I was done. I thought I was going to be able to see hair inside, but there was no hair inside. It was basically all on the outside of the device, which was okay with me. So this is the aftermath of me shaving my leg. I was really happy with the results. If you guys are interested in this product, there will be a link in my description box below. Now let's get into today's video. So today I'm going to be doing my bleaching my roots. So I use the L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach, and then I use a 40 volume developer. I chose the Clairol Pure White, and a mixing bowl and a brush to apply and mix the bleach. And also gloves. You cannot forget the gloves. Protect your hands. So I have short hair and I'm only doing my roots, so this was definitely plenty of product. So I did 2 scoops of the bleach, and then I kind of just eyeballed the developer. So I'll mix the bleach in the developer until I get consistency of like yogurt or pancake mix batter. I just wanted to make a disclaimer. I am not a hairdresser. I just do my own hair. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. Yeah, I am not a hairdresser. I just kind of do my own thing. And this is one of the things that I do. So now that we got that all mixed, I will prepare my hair. Well, right now I'm just showing you my roots. So this is what my roots look like. Like I said, I have short hair, so if it does overlap, I'm okay with it. I mean, it's not a big deal. I can just cut off any of the extra damaged pieces of my hair. So what I do is I use the end of the comb, because it's kind of like a rat tail type of tip. And I'll part it just like I did right there, and then I'll just go ahead and apply the bleach to my roots like that, and I'll just keep doing it in sections. Basically this is another thing where I have to show you better than I can tell you, so I am just gonna let you guys watch. So after I applied the bleach to my entire head, I set a timer for usually about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I wash it out. I use purple shampoo to remove the bleach. So for my hair color today, I'm going to be dyeing it blue. So I decided to mix up the Arctic Fox Poison and the Splat Blue Crush together to create a blue. So this is how I apply my color. I just apply it all over my head, nothing really too fancy. Just ensuring that I basically cover all my strands to the best of my ability, and then I let it sit for some time. I think I probably could have let it sit a little bit longer, but I was in a little bit of a rush. So yeah, I just kind of apply it all over and let it sit for at least 30 minutes, sometimes longer. You can let this sit a little bit longer than the bleach if you really want to, because it's not really going to be too damaging at this point. I mean, you already bleached your whole head, so it's just now it's going to be how dark or vibrant do you want your color.
All this is you.
So I did go ahead and shampoo and condition my hair, and now we're gonna go into styling. So I'm gonna be using that Eco Style gel. I did already, and I'm gonna be using this rat tail comb to style my hair. I already applied the leave-in conditioner, and I did use a little bit of foam wrap, but I like to start by sectioning my hair with my my part on the side, and then I apply gel all over, and then I start like kind of molding it the way that I want to, like have it in the what direction I want it to go in. And then I take my rat tail comb and I start by I like to do my finger waves this way, so I will kind of like move the comb in the motion of like a C, and I have the comb like aligned with my head, so it's like on a straight like line. But like this is another thing that you guys have to kind of like look at and watch while I do it. But I kind of like just guide it in a C, and then I go back around with the back side of the comb, the back edge, and then I kind of just use my finger and the comb to pinch it down, and then I drag the line backwards with a little bit of gel to allow it to set in place so that it has that pointy edge. But yeah, just basically watch, and I hope that I'm explaining this good enough for you guys to understand what I'm doing. So I do like to take out my like little sideburns, and I use an edge comb to kind of just like swoop those down with a little bit of gel. Then for the finishing touches, I'll put on some oil. So I have this Palmer's coconut oil for hair and skin. I believe it's for skin too. I just spray that on, and then I use my hairspray of choice. Right now I'm using the Aussie Instant Freeze, and I'll just spray that so that it just won't move and it stays in place throughout the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do have any further questions, please comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife, could've left 1,000 times just so by my side.